Had a bit of rain last night, so the ground's kind of a little squishy. A little too squishy, probably be driving a Marta around, but I did a few adjustments, so I'll just pop in and show you what I did. There seems to be a short circuit somewhere in there. So I'm just going to have to go in there, check all my connections, make sure everything's good. Alright, I figured out what happened. Around the back here, my wiring ain't too good. So what happened was these wires which controlled the armpit motors ended up shorting for a second. And what that did was it put a lot of current on the battery, and since it's an old battery, the voltage just about dropped immediately down to about 8 or 7 volts. But now that the battery is giving a little rest, it's climbing back up. And that's the thing about lead acid batteries. You draw too much current too fast, or you drain them a lot, like I did, they tend to get less happy with you when you put a lot of strain on them. So something I'm going to be doing is probably changing this spaghetti into something. Yeah, thought that wire was warm. Guess it wasn't. As I was saying, turn all this spaghetti into something a little more organized, have like a positive and negative power bus, which will probably just be something like a piece of PVC with bolts on it. And the bolts on one side are connected to a metal strip that runs the entire length. And then I can just like twist the wires around the bolts or something, so it's a little bit less janky and less likely to have short circuits. But you know, that's all quality of life stuff. The mech still runs. I mean, you can see that her lights were on, and I'll just go in here and flip the armpit switch. See? Left armpit. And way up in there, right armpit. And I might be making some fine adjustments to the armpit so they raise the arms higher so we can actually punch the head of an opposing mech, because so far they're, well, it's a good level, but nothing really you can punch a head with. And maybe I could fix it with just by twisting them where they are right now. I'm not sure. Sort of twisting it so the elbow is further out like that, if that makes sense. Oh, hey, son. And then hopefully I can do the next drive test real soon. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and share it with others if they like this Mecha Madness too. And until next time, bye-bye.